all know the tinikling is the one famous of traditional dance in the Philippines. Everyone, my topic today is the role of dance in Filipino traditions. The evolution of Filipino folk dance is influenced by indigenous Spanish, American, and Japanese. Traditional dances like tinikling showcase indigenous roots, while trigodon and jota demonstrate Spanish influence. Colonialism, war, and social movement have shaped dance development. This led to a modern dance scene where traditional and modern styles merge. Each dance tells a story of cultural resilience and creativity in Philippine history. Philippine folk dance has its roots indigenous cultures showcasing unique tribal identities through ancient movements. For example, dances like the tinikling and singkil reflect traditional Filipino customs and stories during Spanish colonization. European dances were introduced and adopted by Filipino, resulting in unique dances like the reggaeton and jota, which blend Spanish and indigenous style. American and Japanese influences brought on new dances styles such as jazz and breakdancing, impacting Filipino culture and leading to expressions of resistance and cultural preservation through dance forms like tinikling and pandango sa ilaw. After World War II, a surge of nationalism revitalized traditional dances, infusing them with new meanings and reinforcing Filipino cultural identity. Dances like the Sudli and Sayaw sa Bangko gained prominence during this period. Modern Philippine folk dance incorporates a mix of traditional and contemporary elements, integrating urban fusion, digital choreography, and global inspirations.